Traveling across Southeast Asia and want one data plan that works in multiple countries without buying a new SIM at every airport? Complex eSIM is the easiest way to stay connected across borders. In this video, we'll look at the best eSIM for Southeast Asia, which is Saily's Asia and Oceania regional plan. There's a 15% discount link in the description. It works for all Saily plans worldwide, including regional plans like this one, so make sure to use it before you buy to save instantly. So, why choose Saily for Southeast Asia? Saily is a travel eSIM from Nord Security, the team behind NordVPN. It's built for travelers who want reliable data, simple setup, and fair pricing while moving between countries. Frontline plan covers 19 destinations across Asia and Oceania, including popular Southeast Asia stops like Thailand, Vietnam, Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, and the Philippines. If your trip includes multiple countries, this option is far cheaper and much more convenient than buying separate SIMs at every stop. Now let's talk pricing, because that's one of the biggest benefits. If you only need light data for maps and quick searches, the plan starts at $4.99 USD for 1 gigabyte. For most travelers doing a typical Southeast Asia trip, the 10 gigabyte plan for 30 days offers the best balance of value and flexibility. It handles navigation, social media, booking apps, and everyday browsing throughout your trip. And with the 15% discount applied, it becomes even more affordable compared to purchasing local SIMs in each country. For longer backpacking or multi-month trips, you can choose the 25 gigabyte plan for 60 days or even a 100 gigabyte plan for 180 days if you prefer a one-time purchase that keeps you covered long-term. Shutdown is quick and hassle-free. Then, choose your regional plan, install the eSIM before your flight, and once you arrive in your first destination, it activates automatically. No airport queues, no SIM card swapping, and no roaming costs. You're online the moment you land. Saily connects to strong local networks across each country, giving you fast and stable internet for maps, translations, transport bookings, travel planning, or sharing your journey online. A few helpful extras. You can reuse the same Saily eSIM for future trips by simply adding new plans later. You'll also get data usage alerts, so you never run out unexpectedly, and support is available 24/7 if you ever need help. So, if you want the best eSIM for Southeast Asia, affordable, reliable, and valid across multiple countries, Saily's Asia and Oceania regional plan is an excellent choice. Use the link in the description to get 15% off any Saily plan worldwide, including this one. Enjoy your trip across Southeast Asia.